What? I don't know where I Is that better? Or do you want me to explain where I got 2x? You sure?
Where'd you get the x?
The x? Because I had to do 2 times x. So that gives me 2x. Go ahead, keep asking. What do you got? Okay, ready? You okay on how I factored x squared into here, right? The factoring's good. Are you okay on how I got this common denominator? All right. Now I got to look at this denominator right here and compare it to the common denominator. And I got to say, oh, it's got an x plus 1. It's got an x minus 1. The only thing it's missing is that x. So now I got to multiply the top by that. All good? All right. Anybody else? All right. Now, what's the next denominator missing? It's got the x. It's got the x minus 1. The only thing I'm missing is x plus 1. And what do I want to do with that 3 with it? Distribute it. Darn right. Distribute it. So now I'm going to get plus 3x plus 3. Combine your like terms. Up top I have 5x plus 3 over x times x minus 1 times x plus 1. Anything I can factor on the top to simplify? Nope, and leave the bottom the way it is. Don't redistribute and save yourself a lot of frustration. Just leave it. All right, how you feeling, all right? You good over there, Max? You sure? Okay. All right, how about 2? Same denominators?
No.
You sure? You sure? Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm not going to let you live it down. But what do you notice about both of them? They're factorable. So let's go. Let's go. Come on. We've been here for 2 weeks now almost. Actually, that's false. It's been like a week. 3. Let's go, Stella. Factor that first one for me.
X minus 6, x plus 6.
Darn right. Minus 1 over. Go ahead. Factor that second denominator for me. 12. Let's go, Grant.
X and then x plus 6 with the GCF.
Thank you. Thank you. Everything's factored. Let's look for a common denominator now. What is in common between both of these now? Look at both denominators. What's in common that I'm going to put in? 11, Drew. Good. X plus 6 is in common. That goes down there once. I don't think it has anything else in common, right? So stick in the leftovers. What's left over to put in? Whew, 13. Richie, back there.
The x minus 6.
Is that it? And the x. Yeah, be confident. And the x is left over. Trap coming up. Alert, trap coming up. All right, let's look at here. Let's look at these two here. What's missing? Look at those two denominators. What is missing that I need to multiply the 2 by here? Ooh, 6. Oh, boy, where am I going? Ethan, hello? X, good. So 2x. Trap coming up, coming up. What's missing from the second denominator that I need to multiply by? What's missing from the second denominator? 3. Stella, back to you. What's missing from this denominator that's in my common one?
X minus 6.
I talked a little about this yesterday, but it's really going to come into play now. What are you distributing? No.
-1.
No. Minus, right? I need to take that minus and distribute it through. So you're not just going to distribute a 1. Shoot. You need to distribute a -1. Okay? You got to distribute the -1. Everyone see that? So now when I write it, it's what? Minus x and plus 6. Everyone see that? Distribute the negative. All right, go ahead. Combine your like terms, and we'll see something here. What are you guys left with on top now? Ooh, 14. Hi, Isabel. X plus 6. Oh, anybody getting hungry right here, huh? Because I'm not ready to box this in yet. Absolutely not. This isn't like the last problem where I was done. I can keep going. How? Talk to me. Ones, Drew, talk to me.
Cross out X plus 6.
Good. And let's see, have we learned anything here? You're just not left with X and X minus 6. The entire top has been crossed out. The entire top has been crossed out. So let me know my final answer here. Oh, 5. Emma, what's my final here? Ooh, were these opposites?
No.
Okay, so no -1 needed.
No.
I just cross them out and leave them.
Okay.
What's on top, though?
1.
A 1, right? I cross out everything on top. There's a 1, and what's left on the bottom?
X and X minus 6.
Leave it. Leave it. No, I don't want it to distribute. Leave it. If you can factor the bottom, factor it when adding and subtracting. Anything? Because 2 definitely, a couple don't make you great here. Let's see what you got here now. All right, let's do it. Actually, you know what? Why don't you try this one on your own? Try this one on your own instead of me holding hands here. This is a basic one. Can both denominators be factored? Yes, they can. So factor them, find out what's in common. Let's roll. You got this. Be confident. Be confident in yourself. You ready? You don't distribute 1. You got to apply that negative here. So really, I'm distributing a -1. So that's why it's plus 6. Yes, correct. Yep. Yep. Just let me get my work up here too. Hey, take a look. Are we off to a good start here? Here's my common denominator up here. X plus 3, X plus 1, and X plus 4. Because they both had an X plus 3 in it, and that was it. So now I write whatever's left over, which were the other 2. Everyone all right with that common denominator? All right, so now it looks like I should be multiplying the 3 by X plus 4, or the 6 by X plus 4, because that's what's missing. So the first thing I'm writing down is 6X plus 24. All good? Next thing, I should be multiplying the 3 by X plus 1. And it's positive, so I don't have to worry about distributing any negatives here. Plus 3X plus 3. Looks good before I combine? All right, good. We're getting a handle on it, I guess. 9X plus 27 over everything. Not done, though. Hopefully you guys didn't box that in. We're happy with yourselves. Because what can I do to the top here? Take out a 9 spot and be left with x plus 3. And cross out. X plus 3s are gone. So let's see, your final answer did have a 9 on top. Over x plus 1 and x plus 4. That's where I need you to be. You know, that's about as basic as I need you to be there. Anything you want to ask? Yes, go ahead, Mari.
I took out 3. Like when it was 6x plus 5, 4 plus 3x plus 3, I took out 3.
Oh, no. Don't do that at the very, very end.
I still got the same answer.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that like?
Sure, that's fine.
Okay.
I just like to, once everything's all combined and simplified, then you can start factoring. All right, back up top here. We got 2 more, I think. Ooh, 3. Uh-oh, you're going to be all right? 3 of them. Rules don't change. You could factor this one, right? X, what's this one factor into? I got to ask somebody this. What's that one factor into there? Oh, 10. Come on, Kate.
5 and 2.
All right. Plus 5 plus 2. Ooh, you guys got off easy here, huh? What's in common? An x plus 5. But this time, don't we have a second thing that's in common? And an x plus 2. Is there anything left over? Nope, we took care of everything. There's your common denominator. All good? All right, so let's look at the first fraction. Somebody look at the first fraction here with me. 4. Marnie, ready?
Yeah.
It's the same.
Yeah, just 9.
So there's nothing I have to multiply by. When your denominator is the same as your common one, I'm just going to write the numerator in. 9. All right, what's the second denominator up here? 13. Let's go, Richie. What's my second denominator up here?
X plus 5.
So what's it still got to get multiplied by? X. Here's x plus 5. There's my common denominator. What's 3 have to get multiplied by? What's it missing?
X plus 2.
Yeah, so that's what the 3 has to get multiplied by. You good back there, boss?
Yeah.
All right, redeem yourself here. Distribute and let me know what you get.
So it's X plus 2. 3x plus 6.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. Come on, here we go. Max, what's the 1 have to get multiplied by?
X plus 5.
X plus 5.
So instead of 1,
I'm so sorry. I did not mean that. Someone just picked that up. Sorry, like that. I did not mean that. I did not have a good enough grip on that. That's what I get for getting fired up. Go ahead, keep going. Keep going. Yes, tell us.
-1.
You don't distribute 1. The negative sign goes with it, right? You distribute -1. Everyone good? Stuff gets me hyped up. So you distribute a -1. Gotta watch out for that mic. Great job. Good work. So distribute the -1. I get -x minus 5. Combine all our oh boy, that's all out of order here. What do I have for x's? 2x?
2x.
All right, relax. I know everyone's so smart. Yeah, 2x plus 10. And want to keep going for me. 7. Keep it rolling, Ariana.
2, and then it's going to be x plus 5.
Take out a 2. Good. And last step for me, somebody. Last step to bring this home. 1, 3. Come on, Richie.
You cross out the x plus 5.
Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Just can't cross out anything. All right, so here's my final. 2 over. Anybody want to cross off those 2s?
No.
It's tempting. Anybody? Anybody? No? Good. Don't be embarrassing. All right. Picking this up, not too bad. All right, I got one more here with you. We've seen that. I just want to do this one just to familiarize you with these directions again. Prove the identity, meaning, what am I trying to have you do? Make one side equal the other side. So let's pick a side to work on, preferably one that we've been talking about today, which is, you wanted to work on the left? What are you going to do with the left? Don't even think about crossing off the x cubes. There's just a plus sign there. Are you going to factor either one of them? It's a good idea, but I can't factor it, so there's nothing I can do on the left. Everyone see that? But I can add fractions, can I? We've been doing it for 2 days. So just let me rewrite this. Don't overthink this. And just so you don't freak out, if you're looking at it, this where x can't be equal to -2 has nothing to do with this. All right. Do they have the same denominators?
Yeah.
No. Hey, I'm working on the right side and trying to make it look like the left. Does the right side, those two have the same denominators?
One isn't even.
What's the denominator here? X cubed plus 8, right? What's the denominator here? A 1. They're different. So I need your help getting a common denominator. Don't overthink this. And you know what? I'm even going to get rid of that. All right. I don't even want you to look on this side. I want you to focus on this side. What would be my common denominator then? I have an x cubed plus 8 and just a 1 over there. So what's got to be my common denominator? X cubed plus. All right. Don't start just falling off the boat here and losing all your rules. What do I need to multiply this 1 by? X cubed plus 8, because it has a denominator of 1, and I needed x cubed plus 8. So I multiply it by x cubed plus 8. So it's just going to be, right, x cubed plus 8. What do you already notice about the second fraction?
Got it already.
Same denominator. So that tells me, do I need to multiply by anything? Nope. I just write plus 1, because it's already the same denominator. Combine your like terms. What do you get up top? X cubed plus. There you go. We got it. All right. Okay, grab up textbook work. Let's go. Let's get going, at least while I'm here, so you can work on some stuff. Get some done. Yep.
I